Hello guys, welcome to my new video. 2023 Dodge Challenger review. Duncan Brady. This is it. Challenger fans, 2023 will be the final model year of Dodge's big-shouldered, two-door burnout maker. We got our first peek at the retro-modern third-generation Challenger way back in 2007, and the endless iterations since, including the iconic Hellcat models, have only furthered its legend. The Challenger's final model year brings a handful of special edition variants, including the ludicrous SRT Demon 170, before the legendary coupe meets its electric replacement. While it's still around, the Challenger competes with the last of the remaining pony cars, the Chevrolet Camaro and Ford Mustang, as well as import sports cars like the Nissan Z and Toyota Supra. Collapse all Chevron. What's new? Chevron multiple vintage-inspired special editions. SRT Demon 170 with 1025 horsepower, heritage colors B5 blue, plum crazy purple, and sublime green return, as does Destroyer Grey. All 2023 models include a last call underhood plaque. Jailbreak customization extends to Hellcat models. What we think Chevron don't think of the Challenger as Dodge's version of a Mustang or Camaro. This is a big-bodied two-door muscle car that exists in a class of its own. The Challenger is a notably larger and heavier car than its crosstown rivals, with more interior and trunk space. It's a quieter, more comfortable ride than those cars, too, which makes the Dodge a better road trip machine. We're also big fans of Dodge's Uconnect infotainment software. In place of its competitors' athleticism, the Challenger offers colossally powerful V8 engine options and drag strip excellence. The Hellcat variants, with more than 700 horsepower, make supercar levels of power semi-attainable to the working class. A new SRT Demon 170 offers 1025 horsepower and sub 9.0 second quarter-mile times. Drivers less concerned about sheer speed may appreciate that the Challenger is the only car in its segment to offer AWD, albeit only with the base V6 engine and 8-speed automatic. The Challenger won't devour a track the way a Mustang or Camaro could, but it offers its own kind of appeal. For those who want a comfortable, smooth-riding, spacious muscle car with as much power as you could ever want, the Challenger is the ideal pick. Performance and efficiency. Chevron. The Challenger has as many engine options as some pickup trucks. Whether you're looking for a V6 AWD Winter Warrior or a tire-smoking supercharged V8, Dodge has you covered. Except for the SXT and GT, all Challengers are exclusively available with RWD. Challenger SXT, Challenger GT engine, 3.6-liter V6 transmission, 8-speed automatic horsepower/torque. 303 horsepower/268 pounds-to-feet efficiency, city/highway, 18-19-27 to 30 miles per gallon acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 6.0 seconds. Challenger R/T engine, 5.7-liter V8 transmission, 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic horsepower/torque. 372 to 375 horsepower/400 to 410 pounds-to-feet efficiency, city/highway, 15-16-23 to 25 miles per gallon acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 5.0 seconds. Challenger R/T Scat Pack engine, 6.4-liter V8 transmission, 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic horsepower/torque, 485 horsepower/475 pounds-to-feet efficiency, city/highway, 14-15-23 to 24 miles per gallon acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.0 seconds Challenger SRT Hellcat engine, 6.2 liters supercharged V8 transmission, 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic horsepower/torque, 717 horsepower/656 pounds-to-feet efficiency, city/highway, 1321 to 22 miles per gallon acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.9 seconds Challenger SRT Hellcat Red Eye, Challenger SRT Superstock engine, 6.2 liters supercharged V8 transmission, 8-speed automatic horsepower/torque, 797 to 807 horsepower/707 pounds-to-feet efficiency, city/highway, 18 19 27 30 mpg acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.6 seconds Challenger SRT Demon 170 engine, 6.2 liters supercharged V8 transmission, 8-speed automatic horsepower/torque, 900 to 1025 horsepower/810 to 945 pounds-to-feet efficiency, city/highway, 10/17 mile per gallon, est, acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.2 seconds, Mountest, 2022 EPA figure. Safety ratings and features. Chevron Dodge's big two-door performs admirably in NHTSA safety testing with a 5-star overall safety rating for 2022, but its ES scores inspire less confidence. The 2023 Challenger received a marginal rating for the driver's side small overlap front crash test and acceptable ratings for its roof strength and head restraints, as well as a basic score for its optional front crash prevention system. No driver assist features are standard. The technology package adds adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, and rain sensing wipers. Buyers seeking blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert should look for a car with the driver convenience package. Technology. Chevron Dodge offers a pair of versatile and usable infotainment options in the Challenger: a 7.0-inch touchscreen in SXT, GT, and RT models, or an 8.4-inch system that's standard on Scat Pack trims and above. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included with either screen, and navigation is available. Those lower trims get a 6-speaker audio system, while a premium 6-speaker Alpine setup is standard with higher spec models or optional for those with the base system. Dodge also offers optional 9-speaker Alpine and 18-speaker Harman Kardon audio systems. The ultimate Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170. Chevron Dodge has come up with a great way to say farewell to the Challenger muscle car. Dodge brand CEO Tim Kuniskis is calling the SRT Demon 170 his personal moonshot. The SRT Demon 170 is a newer, more powerful take on the formula applied to the 2018 Dodge Demon. With the help of a redesigned engine and a 3.0-liter supercharger, the new model eclipses that car's outrageous 840 horses with an E85-fed 1025 horsepower and 945 pounds-to-feet of torque. It boasts the claimed ability to run from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 1.66 seconds and blitz the quarter mile in 8.9 seconds at over 150 miles per hour. Other upgrades include stiffened suspension, a hardened driveline, Mickey Thompson ET Street R tires, and a reworked transmission brake launch procedure. Dodge asks a devilish $96,666 for the privilege of SRT Demon 170 ownership, $100,361 after destination and a gas guzzler tax. That price tag includes a bar set with a mnemonic decanter and whiskey stones. For our full story on the 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170, check out our first look review. The Challenger's electric successor Chevron. The Challenger as we know it may be going away, but that doesn't mean Dodge will stop building massively powerful muscle coupes with the soundtrack that'll scare your neighbors. Enter the electric Dodge Charger Daytona SRT concept, a stunning AWD two-door that previews the Challenger's replacement. It features an exhaust system that pushes air through pipes and a multi-speed automatic transmission to deliver the sound and experience Dodge's customers expect. We anxiously await the production car. Recommended trim Chevron for our money. The sweet spot of the Challenger lineup is the RT Scat Pack wide body. With 485 horsepower and a 0 to 60 mph time of 4.0 seconds, this V8 model delivers plenty of performance and tire smoking potential, plus we like the sound of the 6.4-liter Hemi more than Dodge's Hellcat engine. In the Scat Pack, it'll sound more like you're strapped to a giant old-school V8 than riding on the back of a shrieking feline. You'll also save around $20,000, and you can still get the swollen fenders of the Hellcat Red Eye. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.